Do you need a good all-purpose cleaner? I know they make a lot of specialty cleaners for tires and stuff, but I like stuff that's kind of a general purpose, can do pretty much everything. That way I don't have to have lots of cans, lots of bottles hanging around. It's 34 degrees right now. Been waiting for it to warm up a little bit. It's supposed to get all the way up to almost 40 today. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm gonna clean, I got these Cooper tires for my old pickup, and I'm gonna clean those things up. They put them on as they were, and we'll see what the Super Clean does for them. There is gonna be a giveaway, and Super Clean is going to send out this product. Let me try this, the spray foam. I think this is gonna work pretty good on here. And I am gonna hit it with a brush. I wanna try to get some of the brake dust off of here also. But I wanted to kind of brighten up the white letters. You can see that's already starting to work. I'm gonna let this soak for a minute. Give it a little bit of a scrub with a pretty mild brush. Now I didn't cut this, I'm gonna speed it up in processing so that you know I didn't do anything weird or use some other product. Oh, I should have bled, well, you know when you record stuff goes wrong. I broke my nozzle. Cold does funny things to things. Let me grab another nozzle. Still not going to cut the video. I'll just speed it up a lot. And I can't bleed this because the nozzle broke. So, oh, come on. Gotta hurry this up because I've got to bleed my hose back out so it doesn't freeze. It's supposed to be in the 20s tonight. All right, I would say that looks pretty good. I missed a spot. Let's see. I really like this. I've used this on my engines. I've used it on grills. That's really the spot I missed right there. But anyway, if anybody is interested, I think Sheila won this up in Wyoming last time I did this. I'll put a link to her channel down in the description if you want to go check out some of the outdoorsy stuff that she does. And for anybody that's interested, Super Clean is going to send out a can and a spray bottle of this stuff. In my opinion, it works really well. Send the information, then I'll shoot. If you're, I don't think anybody wants to watch me clean the other 3 tires. It's going to work the same way as this. So if you're interested in joining the giveaway, just in the comments put "count me in," and I will use a random comment picker. In the winner, I will let you know. You have to be a subscriber. Put the magic words in the comments. I'll notify you on a future video who the winner was, and then you'll just have to send me your address. I'll forward that to Super Clean. They'll send you the products. So I appreciate everybody. I'm gonna throw a video up over here. YouTube's gonna throw one down here. I'll catch you in one of those, or I'll catch you down the road.